app section, you can work in MATLAB with two ways. You can write some code, and this code can be used for your application, or you can use some ready app in the MATLAB. This app help you to just focus on your work. Don't think about the way that you must write your code. There are many type of app in here, for example machine learning and deep learning, that they are using for example for creating a neural network, for pattern recognition, or for fitting to a feed-forward neural network, or for clustering, or for regression, or in the math and static and optimization. You will see the curve fitting that used for fitting data to a curve, or you can see the optimization, that is a very useful app for the project, the optimization project. You want to find the minimum of a cost function, you must just define a cost function and use this app for optimization. For a control system design and analysis, you can use many different type of app. For example, PID tuner, that you can use the course about the PID tuner in our website matlab1.com. PID tuner used for finding the best parameter for a PID controller. That is very useful in the designing control system, or an automotive section that's very new to the MATLAB. For example, in the good truth labor, it is used for self-driving car. In self-driving car, we must train a deep neural network model. And for training deep neural network, we need the ground truth laborer. It's very easy to use it. You just import a video to this app and use some easy tools in ground truth labor for defining the ground truth on your video. Or signal processing communication, you can use for signal processing application. For example, signal analyzer can you use for analyzing the signal or compare the signal, or you can FFT from a signal. There are many type of app. For example, neural ANFIS, Near Fuzzy Designer. It's a useful app for defining the ANFIS, or Fuzzy Logic Designer. It's one of the very useful app for defining the fuzzy system. It's MATLAB. If you don't want to write MATLAB code and just use app in the MATLAB, you can use this app, but it's not recommended just learning how to use the app. But for some field of study, for example the biology, that they don't want to learn how to write MATLAB code, is not recommended. But some students don't want to learn how to program MATLAB, and they have an experience in programming. They can use the app of MATLAB. For example, if I click on the curve fitting, you can use for fitting data to a curve. It is very easy. Just create a name for your fit, for example matlab1.com, and you must define the X data. You can create X data in the workspace. Let me try a simple example. No, they cannot be used. let me to define some data A and B. I just want to show you the capability of MATLAB, the capability of the app in MATLAB. I use the A as a X data and Y as a B data, and you will see this app produce a curve for me. The black dots are my data, and this is the polynomial that is selected for me. I just change the order of my polynomial, and you will see the coefficient of my polynomial and the formula of this model, and the goodness of fitness, the SSE, and the root mean square error of this model. And you can see the different different parameter of this model in here that shows how the goodness of this fit. As you see, I don't write any MATLAB code. I just click on the icon, then it will show me the result. If I change the type of fitting, I can select a viable model, and you can see the formula of this model and the coefficient in this model and the goodness of fit. Has a bigger RMC than a polynomial degree 2. It shows that the polynomial degree 2 has a better fitting for me for days data. Okay, it was just a simple example for you. You can save your session and load the save section in here, and everything doesn't lose for you.